and bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do like a new vlog. So today I have like a little all to do. I got some packages, some like things, and we just like doing a video. So first off, I got this power bank in preparation for Nysc camp. It's a little thing. So this is what it looks like. I got the Orion one, and because I heard that in camp like you just need like extra power bank, so I got this one to replace the small one I had. And yeah, so let's open it. Yeah, this is okay. Oops, so this is a manual, then a little cord, and the power bank. So this is 2000 mAh tablet of Orion. I saw Joyce Daniel, I think this was the one she got. Yeah, I think so. So after watching the video, I just went and bought mine. So this is it. Ooh, it looks nice. So I think this is like the one we have at home currently, but it's for my brother. Yeah, it looks cute. It's quite portable, so I like it. The next thing, next is this box here. I got a Stanley cup dip because I saw that this one does not let out water, because I saw reviews of the Stanley cup and saw that it leaks and you have to like get like something to prevent it from leaking and all those things. I was like, let me just get this one. So I got it in this color. Actually, this was not the color that I wanted, and I was so pissed when I got this one because I wanted the light pink, but somehow the vendor just gave me this, and I did not just want to stress the whole matter. So we have this, and I have this bag to match with it. So pink. So I also got this for skincare cotton pads, and I got these cute clips that I've been seeing on Instagram. I saw it at market. I saw it where I got like hair products from, so I got this. It's so cute. I got this pimple patch because I've been having pimples, like they've been coming to my face, so I don't know why. So I got this to prevent and for them, chase them away. I got this for my wig. My brother has the app the living day life out of one of my wigs, so it's a deep wave one. So I want to try and revive it. So I also got jewelry as well. So I don't know, I saw this bangle and I was like, oh, it's cute. Then I got this arm bracelet thing. I keep on losing earrings, so I just like got this one because I don't have any brown one at the moment, and I really like the color brown. I also got this to match with when I want to do pink pink girly things. When I wear pink things, I got this to match the blue bracelets. Got this wristwatches, very cutesy. So I think that's all for now. I got some like outfits as well. I got like underwear for first Sunday in June, and then I got like an Ankara and trouser and some basic tops, but I don't know, I don't just have the strength to like bring them out and just show them. So if I get to wear them during this vlog, I'll mention, oh, I got this or something like that. Yeah, so that's that. Oh, let me show you guys the wig I want to use up. So this is what it's looking like, right? Oh, okay. Oh, it's even looking a little bit better because I brushed it yesterday and used I use condition I use conditioner, and also it's even looking a bit better today. So I want to see if like more things can be done with it using products that I got. Because if you saw this week before yesterday when I like used conditioner on it, it looked says horrible, very hideous. So we're going to try and find it and make it look better than it looks now. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in another clip another day. Hi guys, so I have like a little unboxing. Okay, so this top is part of the one I bought from the last vlog when I said I went to the market and bought something. So this top is part. So I have like a little unboxing today. So I got new sneakers. I've been wanting them for like the longest time. So the first is stop focusing, this New Balance one. I've opened it, very cutesy. Then this other one is Adidas. I guess the one it is. So I like the Adidas Samba and the Adidas Campus. I like the Campus simply. Anyways, I got the Adidas Samba. Those are my new adults for the month. Very cutesy. I can't wait to go somewhere and rock it. So hi guys, we're at the jetty now. Trying to get ready.
I said, may you dance to me, make you know go to Jones. I swear you depot, you know I see depot. Tumba, fast, we tryna go Jones. Just wondering, come on, feel me, then get post. I said, may you dance.
Hi guys, we're at Hill Island.
I swear you depot, you know I see depot.
Hi guys, so this is what it looks like.
The Yoruba back in Yoruba side families. It was only till our final moments in school that was when she said, so I have a secret to tell you guys. What? My name is actually not Lola, that's a fake name.
Most times, anytime I see her, I'm like, oh my gosh, she's pretty. But you know, when pretty girls, you think they are proud. But when I got to get close to the chick, she's very, very humble.
Do you want that apologize for the people who they sympathize? God go make me.
Solo. It not be like this solo.